we're having the Sili Ice Cream at the Colonial, first Colonial, home of the original Sili Ice Cream. So
it's spicy ice cream.
spicy ice cream.
Level
so
1. So
we only got level 1. We didn't want, it's up to level 3. So.
Yeah, so it comes in different flavors, and then you can see like the level. Actually, you come all the way to volcano, so we're like level 1, 4. So no wonder there's not much spice. But yeah, here are all the flavors that it comes in. So there's like a ton of flavors. But damn, too bad we discovered this like late in our stay. We should like. I actually want to try a bunch of these. There's like a coffee one. Oh no, the silly one's only this one, right?
And that's what we're having right now.
Yeah. Yeah, they have a whole bunch. They have coffee.
Malunggay. That's the green one?
Yeah, Pili. They have a
Yeah,
Pili ice cream. Kamote.
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 That's sweet potato.
Salabat.
That's a salabat. And the other
melon. What's this? Jan.
Binatang munggo. That's like red bean and coconut milk. That one is kalabasa, which is squash. I have also that one in purple yam. This one is roasted rice. So yeah, there's a variety of.
I'm gonna eat this in the meantime.
Okay, go ahead. Give me some. I thought you didn't want to try it. You're eating all my ice cream now. Good. How is it?
Good.
Good. You like it?
Yeah, that was a bit of a fight.
Yeah, but that's
That's a bit of a
spicy.
kick, but it's not.
Yeah,
crazy
we only got
spicy.
the level 1, so I guess the other level is spicier.
You try.
Okay. Thank you. I don't taste any spice.
There's a bit of a kick, like after you let it go down and you start to feel it.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
This is like 99, so it's like $2.50, something like that for Canadian.